Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create Radial Infographic design on professional raster and vector editors using Ellipse, Rotate and Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. Draw circle 250 by 250 dimensions using Ellipse. Copy and paste here. Align both circles horizontally so their edges touch, as shown. Select both the circles. Right-click, group them and align vertically and horizontally center. In a similar fashion, align the top and bottom circles so that their borders touch each other. Select all and go to Shape Builder. Press shortcut key equals M. Click on Object, Create Shape. To deselect, press Alt plus click. Select the object, go to Rotate, and enter 360 degrees divided by 5 equals 72 degrees. Hold Alt and click to set the center point for an even 360 degrees distribution, then press Ctrl plus D to repeat and duplicate the shape. Select all the objects, right-click, group them, and go to Object, Lock Selection. On top of that, draw a 200 by 200 circle using the ellipse, create a shape using the Shape Builder, and rotate what we made earlier. Draw circle 150 by 150 dimensions using Ellipse, apply fill, select circle. Go to Rotate, and enter 360 degrees divided by 10 equals 36 degrees. Hold Alt and click to set the center point for an even 360 degrees distribution, then press Ctrl plus D to repeat and duplicate the shape. Select each object and apply color from the swatches. Adding header, professional, raster and vector editors. 1. Adobe Photoshop. 2. Adobe Illustrator. 3. Corel Draw. 4. Affinity Designer. 5. Adobe InDesign. 6. Figma. 7. Procreate. 8. Blender. 9. Canva. 10. GIMP. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.